Project introduction. We are excited to present our project named Road Guardian Robot. This robot is designed to help people cross busy roads and safely and easily. Problem segment. It mainly helps children and physically challenged helps people who find it difficult to cross road with fast moving vehicles.
Problem solution. The robot was using ordinary remote main controller. Ultrasonic sensor detect vehicle. The IR sensor detect pedestrians waiting to cross.
Working principle: when a vehicle is detected, the servo motor covers the gate and the buzzer alert the vehicle to stop. Once the road is clear, the gate opens automatically.
Our project includes Bluetooth control for manual operation. The Road Guardian robot helps prevent accidents and makes road crossing safer